I just forgot to record the lecture. Okay. Okay, now my first question. This line, anyone please raise your hand and explain opening paragraph from this line. Chalo, I'll pick out myself, Sonam. Opening paragraph. You will introduce yourself or? Okay. 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 Correct. Yes. That is a quotation mark. Okay, you will give quotation then. Mother. Okay, introduce yourself, introduce the topic. Second line. What to write in second paragraph? Two students are not raising hand. Why? Second paragraph. Okay, one student is not raising hand. अब वही वन बताएगा. चलो बेटा. Second paragraph. Yes, Madhav. Second paragraph क्या लिखोगे बेटा? किसी ने नहीं बनाया.
Discuss the topic, figures and facts.
Okay. Discuss the topic at present scenario and facts and figures if you know. Third line. कौन सा पूछ रही हूँ मैं? No. Fourth paragraph. Raise your hand. Ruhani. Fourth paragraph. Causes fourth में solutions बताओगे और थोड़े suggestion दे देना, advice दे देना. This line सारे cheating कर रहे हैं कॉपी को ऐसे करके. But it's okay ना, it's allowed. कुछ सीखोगे तो सही cheating से at least. Third paragraph. Okay. And anyone can tell me conclusion. How to write the last paragraph? Warning. And last line will be. तो अब टर्न है एक्चुअली स्पीच लिखने की फेयर पे. ठीक है. नाउ राइट द स्पीच. नो नो नो. अपील ही था बेटा. अपील होता है कि वही रिक्वेस्ट करने की. अब हमें सुधर जानी चाहिए. यस. This speech you will write in fair, but not now. अभी आप बहुत गलतियां करोगे. Please open your rough notebook only. I'll talk to you. बस मैं रिसेस में बात करती हूँ. Make the first paragraph. I'm waiting. Quickly, please. Rough copy पे अभी घर जाके फेयर पे. Now make the first paragraph. I'm waiting, and then please raise your hand as soon as you write it. First of all, write one quotation. Write one quotation. जंक फूड पे क्या कोटेशन हो सकती है? थिंक अबाउट इट. अपनी तरफ से बना लो. क्या बनाई? ओके. और प्लीज. Okay. Eating junk food makes you fatty, fatty, fatty. तो जो सो रहे होंगे उनको शायद 3 बार में सुन जाएगा फैटी फैटी फैटी. ओके बेटा कुछ वाइज बनाना, कुछ सुनने में थोड़ा ठीक लगे. फैटी 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 नो. यस प्लीज. एक्चुअली पर्पस ऑफ स्पीच का पर्पस है अपनी ऑडियंस का आई कैचिंग कुछ बोलना, बट ये भी नहीं बोलना कि वो टोटली हंसना शुरू कर दे. नो. So junk food satisfy you for few minutes, but healthy food satisfy you for the whole life. कॉमा डाल दिया बेटा एक बार. Now good morning respected principal ma'am, worthy teachers and my dear friends. From online students, please make one quotation on junk food. You have your device also, you can just Google one quotation and you can tell us. But after quotation, you will leave a line, then you will start good morning. Leave a line here. Now make first paragraph. Shobh, tell us one quotation, beta. Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am, I am making quotation.
Okay, then raise hand, beta, after doing so. Vaibhav, you also, beta. Okay, Veronica.
Yes, ma'am, am I audible? Ma'am, I want to tell quotation.
Yes, tell me.
Quite junk foods as your meal, else they will make you ill.
Okay, fine, well done. Others, please. Who is ready with their first paragraphs? Please tell me. Okay, Raghav and Madhav only. Loudly speak one by one. Okay. In front only, the front नहीं आएगा. Okay. Yes, Madhav. Speak up. अच्छा मुझे the सुना था. Yes. हाँ. Gorish bus. Okay, he has added one question also in the first paragraph. You can write a question also. Do you know what is junk food? I'll tell you what is the meaning of the word junk food. फिर आप second में लिख देना उसको. आदगुन then मितार्थी. Exactly. Yes, मितार्थी. Second शुरू कर दो बेटा. The next. Okay. Okay. Okay, now please second paragraph. If you have done first one. यहाँ पे लाइन नहीं लीव करनी. अब कोई बात नहीं कर दी, आप वैसे मत करो. Yes, Jasmine, you can come here, beta. Saipreet, have you done? Yes, please speak up. Unhealthy, unhealthy. Yes, Gaurish. Then Savya. After Gaurish, Savya. Yes, just feel loudly, beta.
I will tell you today what is junk food. A very warm and pleasant good morning to principal ma'am, all the teachers, and all my lovely friends. Today I will speak for of last time they got a total of take in front of you on the topic junk food.
Okay, very nice. Okay, Bishop. Loudly, loudly.
And we will satisfy you for the whole night. Good morning, Mr. Principal and all my dear friends. I am Bishop of class 7. Today I want to tell you about the junk food. Do you know about the junk food?
Okay. Now, beta, start your second paragraph. Tell the present situation that children, especially, they like junk food these days a lot. Then you can give example also. You might have heard in your family that a small child says that I like French fries a lot. So you can give one example also. And you will be shocked to know that 36% of world population daily eats junk food. Okay. So you can give one fact or figure in the second paragraph. एक example दे दो अपने घर में. You might have heard in your family that some of the children, ठीक है, you might have heard some children saying that we won't eat that chapati and vegetable. We will eat definitely burger and French fries. ठीक है, that is example. You will be shocked to know that 36% of world population daily eats junk food. Okay, and you can give the meaning of the word junk. Do you know what is the meaning of the word junk? Junk is something useless. What is the meaning of the word junk? Useless, which has no value. So junk food is that food which has no value in our for our body. Okay, this is useless. So will you use anything that is junk for your precious body? You can ask question. Okay? Yes, please. Second paragraph. Jaldi se bana lo. Second. Savya, please make better. Better second, jaldi se. First is quite same.
I want to.
That is same. Yes, better.
Ma'am, I want to speak first paragraph.
Okay, speak up. As I told you that you will get turn, so you can speak.
Good morning, dear principal, ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Savya from class 7th here. It's my pleasure for standing in front of you to speak on the topic junk food.
Okay. Now you can make second paragraph. Give this fact also, fact figure. Give example also from the present scenario. So you can ask your audience, whenever you go to market, what do you observe? I'll tell you, we people observe that the vendors and the shops are full of people which sell junk food. Okay? You can just give example and you can ask question to your audience. When you go out in the market, what do you observe? I'll tell you, we all have observed so many shops crowded with people and they eat very delicious junk food, so-called delicious junk food. Okay? Yes, second paragraph, jaldi se please. Whenever you are ready with your second paragraph, please raise your hand. Yes, Advi. Yes. Yes.
The money we spend on eating the food is getting waste, but after eating it,
we have to spend double money to get a proper treatment in the hospitals. You all will be shocked to listen that 50% of people are getting treatment because of only eating junk food. Do you also know that 36% of people eat junk food every day? This is very bad to listen. For example, we observed many shops yesterday crowded to eat junk food.
Well done. Done. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, online students, please make this full speech. Okay, then tomorrow you can speak up in the class. Okay, take care.